Introducing the Ntron Type 2, a retro vintage system built for 8-bit enthusiasts. A DIY creation and made to be the Majora's Mask of the Ntron, darker, weirder, in tones of lilac. Inside you'll find a Raspberry Pi running RetroPie and Kava, a PO20 arcade and a Korg Monotron Delay, bringing games and sound together. The entire project is available on Makerworld, where you'll find the print files, build instructions, parts lists, wiring diagrams, and links to both the Pi image and the INO file for the LED matrix and ESP32 board. Basically, it's plug and play. And while you're at it, take a look at my other projects, like the original Ntron. Make it more personal by adding your own randomized welcome messages to the LED matrix. In game mode, the Ntron Type 2 transforms into a full 8-bit arcade powered by RetroPie. Plug in an NES controller, fire up your favorite classics, and enjoy pixel-perfect retro gaming on the built-in QLED display. Use the hot button to switch games, or use save states. Modern NES titles like Micro Mages, Battle Kid and Alwa's Awakening are honestly incredible, pushing the hardware far beyond what anyone imagined back in the day. If you like my projects, head over to Patreon. As a member, you will get access to exclusive builds, chats, support and in-depth video. Switch to synth mode, and the Ntron Type 2 turns into a full chiptune machine. The PO20 arcade and the Korg Monotron Delay let you craft gritty, lo-fi soundscapes, while the LED matrix and audio visualizer reacts to every beat. Pocket Operator 20 Arcade from Teenage Engineering is a tiny powerhouse packed with cool features. Pair it with the Korg Monotron Delay, and you've got something truly unique. Twist the knobs, stack effects, push the delay into feedback. Let's make some noise. When everything is printed, I use a strong epoxy to glue split parts together. This build shares a lot of DNA with the original Ntron, so if you're considering building one, you'll definitely want to watch that video as well. I gloss varnish the panel before applying any decals. The gloss layer helps them sit cleanly and disappear once covered, with 2 coats of matte varnish. For perfect adhesion and to soften the decal into the surface, I use Microset and Microsol, which are made specifically for seamless decal work. You will find the decal sheet over at Makerworld. Time to add some details to the body of the Ntron, like the feet, logo and stripe inlays. You will need an assortment of M2, M3 and M4 screws for the assembly. Use a multimeter to identify which wires go to which pins and make notes as you go. Between player 1 and player 2, you can twist together all the matching wires, except the data line, since that one is unique to each controller. Crimp each wire and insert it into a single socket DuPont housing. Following the wiring diagram, you should end up with something that looks like this. Make sure to set the buck converter to 5 volts before powering anything on. These 2 mini switches are wired between the battery pack, the PO20 arcade, and the Korg Monotron Delay, allowing you to cut power to each unit individually, great for conserving batteries. The ground wire from the battery pack and the hot wire from one of the mini switches are soldered to the minus and plus pads. Also note the modified TRS jack. This is necessary because the Korg sits right next to it, leaving no room for a standard connector. Use the printed supports to keep the instruments securely in place. The plastic casing of the Korg needs to be trimmed slightly for it to fit inside the cabinet. I use a kitchen torch to heat a knife and carefully cut through the plastic. I solder wires to the batteries plus and minus pads on the unit, connecting them to the last mini switch and the battery pack. Cut a piece from a welding visor and place it in front of the LED matrix. It softens the LEDs and gives the whole thing more of a screen-like appearance. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you're into electronics, custom builds, or just need reliable boards for your projects, PCBWay has you covered. They offer PCB prototyping, assembly, even 3D printing and CNC machining, all at great prices with fast delivery. So if you want to bring your next ideas to life, check out PCBWay using the link below in the description. I prepare the mode and hot button. Twist bare wire strands around the positive and negative poles of the battery pack. Then add a bit of solder to hold them in place. Make sure the ends of the wires keep their insulation. Time to connect everything to the Pi. Hope you enjoyed the build. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.